Hey, what's up, fellas? It's the Prop Collector, and we are back now with a little a little repaint of this bike for Zartan. I found it well within my collection. But again, I do have a pretty big TMNT collection, and I thought this would go very, very well with Zartan once I got done with it. So we'll be talking about where I got it. Uh, we'll be taking a closer look at this motorcycle. And I think it's totally worth it. It scales well if you can pick it up. I have seen them on eBay, on Mercari. They go anywhere from inbox, close to $30. You can find it loose for about 15, $20. So, man, let's take a look. Here it is. Just wanted to place Zartan next to it so you can get an idea on how it scales. I think it goes very well, whether he's on it or beside it. Let's get him out of the way and take a closer look at this bike. I wish I had a rotating display. I think I'm going to get me one. Makes it easier. But has the wide tire in the back. It shoots out missiles through these cannons. It has two. Slim tire in the front. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint it black, spray paint it matte black, and then do the dry brush technique with metallic silvers. I think this is pretty neat. Once again, it's this is a TMNT bike. It's the TMNT Out of the Shadows Rhino Chopper, and it comes in a 2-pack. Well, it comes in a pack with Rocksteady. And you can see how it sizes up with the larger G.I. Joes. So it would be maybe a little too big for someone like Roadblock, but I think this is great for Zartan. Here it is after the first coat, matte black, and this is what I'm using. There, put it on this side. So it's coming out pretty good. I think I'm going to do one more coat, but so far, so good. So far, so good. I still see the original color popping out here and there. Not that much. Like I said, I'm just going to do one last coat, very small coat, let it dry, and then hit it up with the metallic grays, metallic silver, and maybe a little bit of copper. But it's going on. The matte black spray paint is going on pretty well. There it is, guys, the end result. I gave it another coat of matte black, and then I used the dry brush technique for the silver and the gray. And it was metallic silver, metallic gray. But let's check out the detail in this bike. I'm gonna get some fire effects for those cannons. I think it'll make it look pretty cool. I think it came out pretty well, and you see it like this, and I don't think, if you didn't know TMNT, I don't think you would have guessed that this is a TMNT bike originally. I think it's going to work out great for Zartan. And I need that headlight. I'm still unsure what color should I paint it, but I'll get to that eventually. Very simple, very easy. And what we're going to do now is we're going to compare it with a few other motorcycles so you guys can check out the scale. And then we'll throw Zartan on top, and that'll be it. So let's get to some other bikes. So first, let's compare it to the Wolverine bike. It's about the same length, but the Wolverine bike is just a little wider. Let's go over to the coil for the Baroness, and this one is pretty larger, but still it's within the same scale. And last, the Punisher bike. Everybody uses this one for Zartan, and it's pretty cool. But just about the same size, a little bit wider, the Punisher bike, but still same size. All right, so let's wrap it up and put Zartan on the new motorcycle. Okay, so that was it. Another alternative for your G.I. Joe Classified line, specific for Zartan in my case, but you can mod it. I know you can add stuff to it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope I gave you ideas. I appreciate the comments, the likes, the subs. I'm on IG, the same name, The Prop Collector. And that's about it. I think it turned out pretty well. All right, fellas, keep collecting. Peace out.